If you're struggling to motivate your team and get them to buy into your goals, you need to ask yourself if you're doing this. Do you have the tendency to devise a plan, to grow the business, or to develop the team, and you determine that the team needs to focus on this one specific area? So, you bring your team together and you tell them, we need to focus on this specific area. Maybe 1 or 2 team members steps up to the challenge. But then, after a while, everyone else just seems to go back to their regularly scheduled programming. Why do you think that is? I get it may be frustrating on your part, but that happens because you haven't established transparency with your team. How did you come up with this strategy? They don't know. What are you trying to accomplish? They don't know. How did you determine that this was the best way to achieve the goal? They don't know. They can't buy in or commit to things that they don't fully understand. Start showing them the bigger picture and then break it down into the puzzle pieces. Nobody can finish a puzzle when they've only been given a few pieces and they don't know what it's supposed to look like.